Came over to the Wilderness Lodge today to check out the Christmas decorations that Amanda's been obsessing over.
Sorry, I want to see them so bad. We've never been at Christmas.
So, Christmas tree at Wilderness Lodge, and then we're going to take the boat over to the Floridian.
See the gingerbread house.
And eat gingerbread?
Yes.
Apparently there's like a life-size gingerbread house or something.
In the lobby.
In the lobby.
Yes.
That we've never ever seen before because it's never been Christmas when we come.
I've seen YouTube videos about it.
I think I have too. So that's what we're doing?
Yeah.
Stellar. This is the gigantic Christmas tree that Amanda was so excited to see. It's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie.
They need ropes to hold it up.
Is it everything that you wanted?
And more.
Wow. It's great, right?
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
It is pretty awesome. I'm digging the teepees. Look, it's like an Indian drum.
Teepee.
And a teepee with ponies. Animals are in the tree. That's kind of cool. Hey, the elevator's open. You want to go grab it and go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go.
Elevator. Elevator.
Go up as high as we can go.
Oh, the floor really is wet there. Splashes.
Look how cool that looks. Having fun? We're gonna try to get to that area right there with the sitting place and the fire. That looks pretty neat. I don't know how to get there.
It's like a maze. It's like the labyrinth to get there.
No, let's go. Oh, there we go. It was like super easy to get here. This is a neat little spot.
I know, it's like a private spot. It's like a secret spot.
This is better than the place over at the DVC area.
I know, because we're still like in the main area.
Oh, I dig it. Okay.
The tree.
Cool.
How
Oh, wow.
that photo thing?
Yeah.
I had no idea this existed. All the times we've been coming here, there's so many things that I didn't even know were here. But
There's
there's like
there was chairs out here.
there's like no chairs or anything. It's too bad.
It's really nice though.
Yeah.
Can we start our day with an alcoholic beverage down at Geyser Point?
Yes.
Would that be okay?
Definitely.
All right.
It's beautiful
Do
out.
you guys want a soda? This is hands down my number 1 or 2 resort. Michelle, on the list of favorite resorts, where does this hit?
Fifth?
5th.
Fifth.
Wow.
Poly's number 1, right?
I think the Poly's number 1. This is like
This is like number 2.
number 2. Nothing
I like
else
the
is
boardwalk.
The Poly's definitely.
Cool. Boardwalk is cool.
I like the Poly. I like the Contemporary. Contemporary was like my second favorite.
Yeah.
I used to hate it, but
I love it.
I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of the Contemporary. It's okay. It's got the Buy Very Good store, but it's all right.
But
I know, this is the best side, but there's no table available here. Oh, thank you very much. This is like a cool little spot. I dig it.
I know.
Yoink.
What about Italian Manhattan?
I kind of want one of the signature featured cocktails. The Rough Rider Sour might be exactly what I want.
This is what I always
That's
get.
always really good. The Northwest Iced Tea.
Yes.
And the Huckleberry Punch is amazing.
I don't think I've ever had that.
I'm gonna get the Rough Rider Sour. The Blueberry Lemonade might be really good too. Oh, there's
yeah.
too much to choose from.
I know.
Cranberry, lime, and pomegranate.
Oh, that sounds good too. Cucumber mint mojito.
All right, whatever I get, we'll decide in a minute. I decided on the Bourbon Breeze. It's supposed to be better.
Party. Oh,
And you got what? The Northwest Iced Tea?
iced tea. It's like a Long Island. Is it good?
It's pretty good. There's a bee trying to get my bourbon.
Is it fruity?
It's actually... Try it.
Yeah, you want to try mine?
Yes.
What's yours, Mommy?
Iced tea. Oh, that's strong.
It's intense, right? I always love the Northwest Iced Tea.
It's very bourbon.
my favorite.
Yours is strong.
Mine's great. Michelle, check this out. You think so? Oh, it's very dead. I killed the bee. That's the end of that beer.
I mean,
So we've decided not to go to the Grand Floridian. We're gonna hang out around here and maybe go over to the Wilderness campgrounds because it's so cool. I haven't heard the geyser go off in a long time. Maybe it's not going off right now. I haven't heard the geyser go off for a long time. Have you heard the geyser go off?
no, not at all.
Not at all
That
today.
whole time we were at Geyser Point and everyone off.
Never
so.
heard it once. It's
Weird.
not going off
Is
today.
it quiet?
I don't know.
Maybe
I think it's just
going
not
off today?
going off today.
No.
For some
It always
reason.
goes off every day.
Not today.
It doesn't take a vacation.
Never mind. It's only going to Magic Kingdom and I'm not interested in going through security today.
Why?
Because I don't want to. These are a place that I would really love to stay one day.
Night.
One day you want to stay for a night?
Yeah, maybe we can get some friends to like split it with us. Look at it. You get the view of
What?
Magic Kingdom.
But it's so neat. Yeah.
Okay, for two nights, it will be 4,000.
Yeah, exactly. As much as I'd like to stay here one day, from this point at the very end of the cabins, it is a very long walk to the lobby and also to the buses to get to like anywhere on Disney property.
Contemporary is right there. I didn't realize that. Look at the Contemporary through the tree.
Yeah, the Contemporary is like kind of in the back of the trees right there.
But not like the cabin at Fort Wilderness. We can park at your cabin. I think it's just a.
I am pretty sure something is going on in the middle of this lake here.
I think it's a Disney. There's another one.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Crawl.
I'm pretty sure this is the way that the movie
Crawl.
Crawl?
Remember that movie with the alligators who like attacked the lady underwater in the
I have no
Florida?
idea what you're talking
That
about.
movie. But the alligators attacked the people in
Isn't
the
this a
basement.
movie like Crocosaurus or something?
I have to say something.
What?
So it says alligators and snakes, right?
Yep.
Can't snakes get through that?
Yes, that's why you should be careful. They're warning you.
They could definitely go through that. Huh. Oh, that's a lot.
Amanda, can I buy Sasquatch sweat? Smell it. I can't decide between that and ferret farts, but they're both amazing.
Oh, it actually smells really good.
Right?
Can I smell?
Go ahead. Amazing, right?
Can I smell?
All right, don't put your nose on it. Smoky.
Wait, what?
Pretty good, right?
Right?
That's the ferret fart. Smell it. Ferret fart smells so good.
Oh my god.
Right? Do you like ferret farts or Sasquatch sweat better?
I think I actually kind of like Sasquatch.
Interesting.
What's my go-to stone?
Hey, Miles.
Yeah?
Do you want to get some Goofy Candy Company? You should. What are you guys going to get? The sour characters? The mini unicorn pops? Character gummies? You should get like... I don't know.
Wait, can we get one each?
Yeah, you should each get one.
Ooh, you good?
Alright, you guys good? Thank you. Can't wait for that.
Hi, you all set?
How you guys doing? Chill. Heads up.